Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be with room galore. It comes with all the amenities you need: automated parking sensors, refrigerated box located in the console, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Ecotec 3 engine, heated steering wheel, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, entertainment system with Blu-ray, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated bucket seats. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 561-501-2750.